Why contemplate where you're going to get out? Why not add a little bit to the position? Why not make the position a little bit bigger? Why? Because you're afraid then that what the market has given you is going to take away. Well, hasn't that happened to all of us? You see, adding to winning positions is one of the best antidotes to what the 90% are consistently doing. The 90% love to add to their losing trades. Why? Well, hey, if it was a good purchase at 50, then it's got to be even better purchase at 40, isn't it? Because, hey, we all love a good bargain. How many of you go down to the supermarket on a Saturday morning and thinking, oh my dear Lord, filet is on offer. Chicken is on offer. Even tonight, let's say that you're a man and you're going to go out for a bit of food after this, if it wasn't good enough here, and you go, do you know what? That restaurant over there, they got 2 pizzas for the price of 1. Whoop, let's go over there. If you had the choice between buying a pizza that was twice as expensive today than it was yesterday, are you going to go for that? No, you're not. You would prefer the half-price pizza because that's the way that we are put together. We prefer things where we feel we are getting a bargain. But what's perverse about the industry that we are trying to make a living in is that it makes more sense to buy something today because today it's more expensive than it was yesterday. That's called a trend. But none of us like to buy a share today at £5 if it was £4.50 yesterday. But you love buying a share at £4 if it was yesterday was £4.50 because you feel like I'm getting a bargain here. But the sad truth is that the financial markets is not a supermarket. It doesn't work like that. If it's cheap in a supermarket, by all means, you got my blessing to load up if you want. But please don't load up because something in the financial markets is cheaper today than it was yesterday. Because that's just not the way that it works. And for 10 years, I sat and watched people do exactly that. For 10 years, I had to suffer the audacity of watching people buying the Dow all the way down and down and down and down and down. Why? Well, because they were living under the illusion that if it was good yesterday, it's got to be even better today. Is that really who you want to be?